गेल्या काही दिवसांनी राज्यभर हुंवाराचो पाऊस पडला। पावसाक लागून जायते कडेन झाडां पडून लोकांची घरां, गाडयांचे बरेच नुकसान जाल्ले। कित्येक लोकांक दुखापतूय जाल्ली। मात काल दुर्दैवी घटनेन एका 20 वर्साच्या चलयेक स्कूटर घेवन वतना झाड पडून मरण आयले। ही घटना दोळे उगडे करपा सारखी आशिल्ली अशें म्हणत मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी त्या चलयेच्या घरच्यांक 4 लाखाची भरपाई दितले अशें आजच्या अधिवेशनात जाहीर केले। ताचेरूच उलयतना आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी पंचायत राज्या अंतर्गत धोकादायक झाडां पळोवन ती झाडां ना जाल्यार तांचे खाणे मारचे अशी मागणी केल्या। तशेंच हे लोकांचे नुकसाण जाला तांकांय भरपाई केन्ना मेळटली हाचेर आमदारान मुखेलमंत्र्यांक प्रश्न केलो। लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह तशेंच हेर प्रशासन खंयचीय झाडां धोकादायक दिसतात जाल्यार डेप्युटी कलेक्टराकडेन कंप्लेंट करची, ते ताबडतोब एक्शन घेतले अशें मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी सांगले। पावसान माती मोव जाल्या, मात स्मार्ट सिटीन काम केला ताका लागून खंय तरी झाडांची मुळां कट जाल्यात आनी हाचेर आपणे इन्स्पेक्शन मागला अशें आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले। त्या प्रमाण नॉर्थ गोवा कलेक्टर तशेंच सीसीपी मेयर हांणी स्वता वचून इन्स्पेक्शन केले आनी धोकादायक झाडांच्यो खांद्यो मारपाचें काम ताबडतोब सुरवात केलें। आमी धोकादायक झाडां आयडेंटिफाय करून ती बेगीनच्या बेगीन मारपाचो विचार करतात, मात पर्यावरण कार्यकर्ते तशेंच NGO आमकां आडायतात अशें सीसीपी मेयरान सांगलें।
Speaker sir, I beg to call the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister on the following matter which is of utmost importance. Fear and apprehension in the minds of the people to live in their houses and travel on the roads following the incident which has happened, which the Honorable Chief Minister just mentioned. Aarti Gond was killed as a tree fell on her near the municipal garden in the city of Panjim. Due to extreme rain showers, the rise in tree falls in the state have increased and has further escalated the worries and fear among the commuters. The step government intends to take to assure the safety of the people. Speaker sir, in the villages, ते उमोळ जाल्या आनी भरपूर झाडां वयर येयल्या, रूट्स वयर येयल्ले आहा आनी कोण तांकां हातलांक सोदिना, कित्याक कोण तरी वयता आनी कोर्टान केस करता, इवन आमचेर बसून केल्ली आहा। हांव कितें म्हणटा, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करता की हे अंडर सेक्शन 76 पंचायत राज एक्टा कडेन तो पावर आहा, ही आयडेंटिफाय करची आनी थोडे ब्रांचीस डेंजरसली आर लिनिंग ऑन पिपल्स हाऊसेस, भाडगाड कातरूंक दिना। हेचेर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान आयज हे सांगपाची गरज आहा, कित्याक खुबशे अशे इन्सिडंट जायता, घरांचेर पडत आहा आनी डॅमेज जाता आनी कोण तांकां पयशेय दिना। ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मे कायंडली रिप्लाय। ही हॅज रायटली सेड टुडे दॅट कंपेन्सेशन दिला 4 लाख, पूण फुडले जे आतां दुसऱ्यांच्या घरांचेर ब्रांचीज आहा, झाडां आहा, ते कांय उलोवंक ना आनी कोण कट करतलो ती।
स्पीकर सर, मेंबर बाप MLA मायकल लोबो हांणी जो इश्यू रेज केला पळय न्ही, तो खरोखरूच म्हणजे कालचो इन्सिडंट जाल्या उपरांत आमी जेका म्हणटा की दोळे उगडपाचो इन्सिडंस जाता, त्या खातीर अशें जी झाडां रिस्क आसात, जी रस्त्यार म्हणजे स्कुटरीन वयता आसतना पडटा, म्हणजे तेजे बाबड्याचे बॅड लक, ओके, बट तरी सुद्दां अशी जी पडटा ती लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स किंवा पंचायत रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह जिल्हा कोणाक जे दिसता तांच्यांनी ते बरोवन डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन दिवचे। डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑर्डर पास करून जर खंयचो भाटकार म्हणजे पयली रिक्वेस्ट ओन जर कट करता बरी गजाल, जर करिना डेप्युटी कलेक्टर स्वता फायर आनी हेका घेवन ती झाडां किंवा तेजी फानी ही जी पळय अर्जंट बेसिसचेर जी पयली दिसता ती अर्जंट बेसिसचेर दिया, खंयची दिवं नाका, तो एकदां व्हेरीफाय करतलो आनी तेजे खानी काडपाची किंवा झाड कट करपाची जाल्यार डिसिजन घेवन तो कट करतलो।
स्पीकर सर,
लक्षवेधी सूचना
ऑनरेबल सीएमान जे सांगला ते एकदम बरी गजाल, बट तारीखूच मेवता तेजेर।
कॉलिंग अटेंशन शंकर बामणकर
बेगीन कट करपा लायता,
बेगीन, पण तांकां इंस्ट्रक्शन दीस ऑल डेप्युटी कलेक्टर्स।
हय, हांव सगळ्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टरांक दिता।
अरे स्पीकर सर, एक
चडश्यो गाडयेर पडले आनी काल एकट्या भुरग्याचेर पडले आनी तेजी डेथ जाल्ली।
First of all, my heart goes out to the family who have lost their loved one. I'm sorry about what has happened. Now I have to, instructed the commissioner basically with the help of the forest officers just to inspect and make assessment of all the trees around Panjim. Especially the trees should be, you should see the trees where the smart city basically has done work, you understand, no? So they must have dug up certain things where the roots have been cut or something, just to look at that part of it, where they have done fresh roads and all, new roads and all. So I have told this to the commissioner. Commissioner informed me last night that he is in touch with the forest of with the RFO, and today they will be doing the inspection of the same.
Yesterday one girl died because of tree. So what discussion done with you, because all the trees in Panjim should be trimmed because many trees are like fallen like.
So now same now, because we've been raining for like some 15 days continuously now. It's not rained this much in I don't know how many years. Now because of that the soil is loose, there's a lot of concretization of the thing, a lot of the foundations of trees are becoming weak. Now our teams have been out every single day responding to requests from both the citizens, our councillors and ourselves also. Now, whatever happened was extremely unfortunate. We've asked the forest department to give us a full account of all the trees that are dangerous, what trees need to be cut, what trees need to be trimmed and everything. As you've seen, it's only perfectly healthy trees that are falling over. There is no dead trees or anything like that. So once we are doing it phase wise. Once we get our first list, we will start deploying our teams as per forest departments and we'll get everything done.
By when you will get the first list of that?
See now unofficially they've started, so we broke them up. If they have to break up the full of Panjim and then submit the report, it will take some time. So we've told them to break it up in phases. For example, we'll take DB Road, Kampal, Central Panjim, Malti and all of these places first, where you have these big rainforest trees which are more likely to fall. We started already in the morning. So we will get their initial requests.
So how many trees have been identified CCP?
Oh yeah sir. So they've done 14-15 trees they've done so far. Now they will spend the rest of the day doing this full area.
Okay.
They will send us a report. Once we get the report, we will act based on the recommendation.
Okay.
So now a lot of these trees also now, the moment we try to cut them down, you have all of these NGOs and activists now who start coming and harassing all of us, filing RTIs, filing police reports and everything also. So we had also have certain issues.
So मासे begin करपाचे ना कारण पाऊस खूप पडतो.
Yeah, we started already. The moment our teams have been deployed continuously. Our tree cutters have not had a single break now. They are working. They come to work even on Sundays. And morning till 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock they are still working. And plus they work in the night. The moment the trees fall down, our teams have been deployed continuously. Panjim has a lot of trees. It will take us some time to get it done. So we will act on their report first. And once we've those, then we will start with.
So as identify सगळे जातले tree म्हणता तुम्ही.
So now only one area will be done as of now. Because if we wait for the full report, means you have to take Ribandar, all these other areas. So it will take a lot of time. So we will give them certain stages. Let them do DB Road, where you have a lot of commuters, a lot of thoroughfare. Let them finish those that report first. We will act on their report, and as and when they submit, we will start doing that.
That's it.
So 4 lakh will be given to that. Okay. How much time it will take for that process?
Immediately. So the Talati is in contact with the family, and immediately as we get the details, we will release them.
Okay. So you are also monitoring that trees cases, no?
Yes, everything. All SDMs are directed to monitor the situation. So every taluka, all SDMs are teaming up with the fire and forest. They are identifying all the dangerous trees and they are starting cutting all the trees. This exercise was also taken up before during pre-monsoon phase, and it's continuously going on. And again, it's been now also it's again rescheduled. So immediately today, all the SDMs and teams are on the field.
In all full Goa.
In full Goa.